Just a little wind here and there. For now, a little of Hurricane Melissa. Yep. I pray that it doesn't reach land, because it's not yet on land and it's behaving like this. Let us all be safe. I pray, God, let us all be safe. Yeah. Jamaica is a praying country. Look at the sky. Wow. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. I have strong faith in God. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. We'll be okay in Jesus' name.